Beauties, it's me, Allegra. I could not be more happier to be here right now doing this makeup review because I can't believe it, you guys. It has been so long. I have been on a trip of trips, so I haven't had my makeup. I've had my makeup, but I haven't had an opportunity to sit down and kind of test it out and try it and talk about it with you beauties and hang out. That's the most important thing. I haven't been able to hang out like this. And this is my favorite thing in the world to do. So I'm so happy to be here. And beauties, I'm doubly happy because I actually got free Chanel makeup. Yes, you heard right. I got this Chanel Le Teint foundation for free from Saks. So they were having an event, and if you purchased something during the event, they were giving gift cards. And so I got a gift card and I wound up getting this foundation for free. So I'm really excited to test it out today. Now, I did order this online, and on the Saks website, they really don't give a description for each foundation color. Needless to say, guys, what I wound up getting was shade B30. Now, I don't know if this is my shade, is what I'm trying to say. So hopefully it is, because I've been wanting to try this for the longest time. Now, it does look a little kind of golden, and I do believe I normally reach for or purchase neutral foundations, so I'm not sure if this is going to be neutral, but let's go ahead and find out. Now, I also did get this brush, beauties, at a Marshall's, or no, I'm sorry, Marshall's or TJ Maxx, either one, but I think it was actually, no, I think it was TJ Maxx. And you guys, this brush is a game changer. It's from Japanesque. I'm sure they have it online. I'll look it up and I will definitely link it down below. But if I can find it, because I want another one for myself. Selfishly, I'm going to be linking this for myself. But if you beauties are wanting to, you know, have a makeup game changer item, this is definitely it. And, you know, I got this at TJ Maxx for about $5. So it probably, maybe in store, I'll look it up, but I'm sure it's not very expensive. Maybe $10, you know, at the drugstore price, or where I think they have this at CVS, Japanesque. Anyway, you guys, that's Roxy. Who knows? She's always redecorating. Yeah. She throws the cushions on the floor. She likes that better. She likes that look better. Yeah, there they go. They're all going on the floor. I guess she's getting cozy. Okay, guys, so now on my eyes right now, I just want to tell you, now in my travels, I brought some makeup with me, and I have been wearing this non-stop, day and night. It is so good. I'm wearing it right now, and it's a very natural, effortless look, but with this palette, but you can definitely build it up to more glam if you were going out or something like that. You could definitely put, you know, make it even deeper. For me, I love it. It's a very kind of effortless. It's a combination of natural and a little glam, because I do bump it up a bit, but you don't have to bump it up. But I'll try to insert a clip because I just did a little demo with this for TikTok. This is the Lancome French Nude eyeshadow palette. It's just so good, and it's great for travel. Small, fits in your bag. You could do so much with this. There's a beautiful shimmer shade in here too that I'm sure you could use as a highlighter as well, so it doubles. This is an eyeliner. It's just so phenomenal, this palette. So now, okay, let's get into it so I can test out this foundation with you beauties. Now, on my skin right now, I just have the Super Goop Glow sunscreen primer, and I haven't been wearing any other primer but that, and I never did that before. I was always wearing all different primers, but this Super Goop primer definitely is for me, and I have oily skin, I have texture. It is all that I need. It's really amazing. So that has been really great. I'm using it all up. So let's go ahead now and test this out, because I also really want to see, you know, is it going to be too yellow for me? We'll see, guys. So now I am, you know, everything is a little wonky around here, so I'm just sitting in my living room. Okay, so let's see, guys. So here it is, And I'll just put some on the back of my hand. This is my first impressions. As you can see, I just unboxed it. So yeah, I hope it's not too, you know, warm for my skin, because my skin is definitely neutral. It's, you know, sometimes I try to sneak a little bit of a golden color in, but you know, basically it's not. So anyway, here it is, guys. Now this, again, let me show you how I use this brush. But you can turn it on the side and it fits so perfectly in the indentation under your eye. I love that for concealer. And then it just, you could turn it to the flat side and just press the foundation into your skin. So now this is a little bit peachy, but it's actually beautiful. The shade of this foundation, the coverage is beautiful. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. And maybe when it dries down, it'll be less peach like. Yeah, now that it's blending into my skin, it's kind of giving a warmth and a golden kind of tone to my skin, which is really nice. Yes, it is beautiful. Okay, now I'm glad I got it, definitely, because I would not have reached for more. I would not have generally purchased. I gotta look this up, guys, again, what made me purchase this. I did kind of research, like I said. So maybe it is, I don't know, golden. A little golden is okay, right? If you're a neutral gal. So yeah, because look at that, once it melts down, this is gorgeous. Now I've been using on my travels the Chanel #1 foundation day and night. I've been loving that. I'm probably almost finished with the bottle. I just absolutely love that foundation. And this does give probably more coverage than that foundation though. But that foundation is absolutely stunning, and I just love the skincare ingredients in it. But this is definitely more of a glam, a little bit more glam, definitely a little bit more coverage. And it's beautiful, you guys. Wow. And it does say it is all day wear. So I am going to be going out. I'm in Florida now, so it's very hot out. So I'm going to go ahead and go out and do a wear test and see how this holds up in the humidity and the heat. So beauties, this is how it's kind of dried down. It is absolutely gorgeous. It looks like your skin glowing. You look like you've been on vacation, and you just, because it gives such a beautiful radiance to your skin, so it kind of gives that vacation glow to your skin. It definitely is a little bit more on the matte side, especially say as compared to the Chanel one, which is more dewy. But I'm gonna go ahead and set this now. I'm gonna put on some Makeup by Mario concealer and a little Milk makeup. This is the new, I believe it's called the Eclipse setting powder, talc free. I've been wearing this too. Yeah, Eclipse translucent setting powder. So I'm just gonna go ahead, like I said, and just do a little quick face. This is where we're at now. I think we're pretty good to go. And so I'm gonna go head out, and I will check back in a few hours and let you know how this is holding up for me. But so far I absolutely love this. Wow, it's beyond stunning. Such a great foundation. So I will be back. So guys, I'm back. It is 8:45 p.m. I have been out all day, you guys. I was outside, which normally I am not outside too much, but today I was outside a lot in the sun, you know, in the heat at midday. And I feel, you know, I haven't done any touch-ups. You know, this is it. I just put some more lip gloss on. But you guys, what do you think? I just think it is so gorgeous, this foundation. I'm so happy. It is more glam than, like I was saying earlier, than the Chanel #1 that I've been wearing. So for me, this, I feel much more glam than I've been feeling, because the other one was so natural, but I loved it. But now I'm like, oh, this is nice. This is nice to have a little bit more of a makeup look. And I was just reading online. So actually, if you have a gift card like me, like I had the Saks gift card. So if you go to the Chanel website, they have really good descriptions, very easy to read. Now I did get, like I mentioned previously, the shade B30, which is light medium. Oh no, I got medium shade neutral undertone. I like it. You know, at first I thought it was a little too golden maybe, or I was worried that I had gotten a warm undertone, but it wound up working out really good, especially when I put the concealer on. It worked out. So I am so happy. I'm not shiny, I'm not oily, again, no touch-ups. And this does retail for $65, but I think it is worth every penny. If it's something you want to save or splurge for, it's definitely worth it. It's just absolutely stunning. This is makeup that, you know, you feel good about yourself in, so definitely worth it. So anyway, guys, I will let you run. I'm gonna be back soon with giveaways and all kinds of fun stuff, so be on the lookout for those videos coming soon. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you beauties are all doing good, and I'll see you very soon.